here comes our crew from what appears to be a fun day out on the bay. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at 79th Street. So our crew's coming in, gonna go ahead and line up their approach. Let's see how they do as they make their approach on the dock. So it looks like we got a couple hands ready to help out at least, so Cap should have a little easier time with that. So we got a girl on the bow and one on the stern, ready to roll. Here we go, nice slow approach on number 4. Oh, she fell! Oh my, she hit 2 feet on the dock too. I'm not sure what happened there, but she went down. And the people on the boat are kind of freaking out. This one I'm not sure exactly how it happened. She had 2 feet on the dock. She stepped onto the dock and just kind of slipped backwards somehow. I guess she was just off balance when she hit the dock, but I mean, it definitely looked like a clean approach where she just went backwards. But this girl in the back is, oh my God, she's just freaking out about it. So they're trying to push off the dock, trying to see if they can get her up. I still don't see our girl coming up. It looks like the girl in the boat is talking to her. We definitely got a gap between the boat now and the dock, so I'm assuming they're pushed off, so she's good there. I don't see anybody in panic mode now, thankfully, which means that she's probably okay as well, which is the key. That's what we're looking for. And there we go. She's standing on the dock, holding onto the pole now. And somebody finally is going to try and give her a hand to get her out. And here we go. And she appears to be okay. And that's the good news. That's the last thing I want to happen is anybody to get hurt down here. And she's got a smile on her face, so she's actually living this one up with good humor. So that's a good thing. Some people can get really bent out of shape really fast when something like this happens, but she appears to be just taking it in stride, understanding that things are going to happen around the boat ramp, I guess. And the good news, like I mentioned, she's okay. Everybody appears to be okay. She's laughing and smiling. And now she just saw the camera, and the smile's probably going to go away shortly. So after a few moments, things have started to calm down. Somebody finally went to go get their truck. They're giving our girl a towel so she can kind of dry off or something there. And looks like they're going to try and get out of here. Again, just a close call averted there. You just never know. When I see somebody go down, so many things can go wrong with that, especially when the boat's coming in like that. But fortunately, the crew jumped in quickly and were able to push the boat off the dock as well. So our crew came in, docked the boat, everything went fine through that point. Then Mom went and got the truck, and now we're struggling with the small trailer. Typical Miami boat ramp struggles. And once again, we talk about it all the time. These small trailers can give people fits because you can't see them. But in this case, she just needs to pop that back tailgate on this SUV, and she'll see the trailer no problems. But here right now, like, it looks like she's got it lined up straight, but watch, as she comes back, it'll probably get a little out of whack. And these short trailers, when they start turning, it happens really fast. And by the time you see it in the mirror that it's turning, it's too late. You're already way off. But let's take some bets now on how long it takes her to get this trailer back into the water. Let me know in the comments. And if you know me at all, sometimes I'll fast forward these. So don't just think because there's only a few minutes left of this video that it's only going to take her a few minutes. So, I mean, she's kind of heading in the right direction. Now it's getting close to getting... Yeah, no, the jackknife's coming. She's going to have to straighten this one back out. And she realizes it there. And I don't think she got it straight enough. And now we're heading back in toward the dock. And the car... Yeah, she's just got the car out of whack. I mean... She definitely... Oh, no, wrong way. She realized it, but again, too late with this small trailer. If you go the wrong way like that, it's going to be all kinds of out of whack. The one thing I do like that she's doing is she's not pulling very far forward, just far enough forward to try and get the trailer a little bit straight. That's what I see some of these people mess up on, is they'll start coming back with the small trailers, they'll get all out of whack, and the next thing I know, they'll pull all the way back forward, back to where they started, and I'm like, you're going to struggle just as bad there as you did coming back this time. But this is a small, light trailer. I'm surprised one of the kids isn't getting down there and just holding this thing and keeping it straight as she tries to bring it into the water. So it looks like she's going to commit and just try and back it in like that at the angle, but I think it's turned too much. I think she's going to struggle with that. So the kid, well, it looked like one of the kids was going to walk down. So there you go. She's got it back to straight. She's got to straighten the wheel out on the car, though. No, she's starting the wrong way again, and she might be all right this time. Nope, she went back the other way one more time, pushing it away from the boat and getting it sideways on the ramp. The kid finally walks down. And I mean, the trailer's wet. In theory, they could probably load the boat. Just by pulling it over to the side. Mom grabs the boat, it looks like. Are we going to try and drag it over? Nope, nope, there we go. Wise move, especially as slick as this ramp is. You could probably easily slide this trailer over. And in the water, it's not going to be very heavy. And there we go. They'll get it straightened out. And they should be able to walk this one on from here, and that should get them out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Drain Plug Mafia channel that features the Googans of the week. And also, Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.